Well, mine didn't have it.
You have Uno, you fucking dick!
I don't have it, you fucking...
Thank God, finally. What the fuck? What is...
Meow, fuck out the way.
I'm gonna put my cat on the mic.
Dude, what are you doing? That's so fucked up, man! That's not a cat! That's not a cat! That's you screaming! Shut the fuck up, motherfucker!
You're so right, Pim. I forgot about that factoid.
Oh, wait a minute. Holy shit, there's a small enemy spider.
Buenos noches, motherfucker.
Does anyone want some coffee? I just made a fresh hot coffee.
Swing.
Peter, what are you doing? Crack? What the fuck? Hey.
Hooah! Hooah! I ate his liver with the fava beans and some nice Chianti.
I'm killing you. I'm killing you. I don't care about anything else. I don't give a shit about anything else. My programming is just get that fucking guy right now. It doesn't, there is no like, oh, he's running? I'll back off a little. No, it's just, until I get horrifying. It's like a nightmare.
Shut up, man. You're trying to trick me, man. Put smoke into my freaking head and shit, man. Not at all, man. Man, I don't know what to think no more, man.
Okay, let's do de-escalate. No one's messing with your head.
Get out of me
Nobody's messing with your head.
Get out of me head.
No, nobody's messing with your head, man.
Nobody's messing with your head.
And this is Jeremy, your only form of hellish entertainment.
Dude, if you do that...
I am the man who owns 5 ovens.
Everything from me.
Don't fall. One. Come on.
Don't worry about it.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Connor, the fuck are you doing?
Coming, Lieutenant.